Okay, so today we're going to be doing oil change on this 2021 Toyota Tacoma. First step we're going to do is just take this oil cap off, just set it aside. And now you're going to want to get underneath the vehicle. Whatever you do, if you use ramps, if you use jack stands, just make sure the vehicle is completely safe before you get underneath it. And we're going to go ahead and look for this drain plug here. It is a 14mm socket, so I already pre-loosened it for the video, that's why it's loose, but usually it's a lot tighter. And just let that oil drain for now. So the oil is just dripping now, so we're going to go ahead and put the drain plug back in. If you've gotten a couple oil changes without replacing the clutch washer on this drain plug, it'd probably be a good idea, but I believe the oil filter doesn't come with one, so we're just going to have to reuse this one for now. The torque spec for this is 30 Newton meters. So now we're going to go ahead and get a tool to remove this oil filter. So I do have this claw tool here. It's from Snap-on. It's a universal filter removal tool. Before you put the new filter back, it's good to clean the area a bit. Go ahead and pre-fill this. I really don't think this matters. It's just some people prefer to pre-fill them. On these newer cars, it really doesn't matter in my opinion. And some manufacturers even say not to do it. So I don't see any danger in it, so I'm going to go ahead and just do that. Okay, so try not to make a mess. This one we just want to get really hand tight. And now let's clean the area up a bit. And now we're ready to put the vehicle back on the ground. Okay, so now we're back at the top of the vehicle. We're going to put some oil in here. I believe the specification is 5.9 liters, but we did pre-fill the oil filter, so I think I'm just going to start off with 5.5 liters and then check the dipstick. And this vehicle does take 0-20. Just looking at the oil cap, it does say it takes 0-20, so that's what we're going to put back in the vehicle. Don't make a mess like I did. And then locate your dipstick and just check what the level is at. So this one actually almost looks perfect. Yeah, you can see it's reaching up to the max mark right here, so that's about enough oil to put in this vehicle. Final step, we're going to put the oil cap back on. and you're almost done. You just have to reset the oil service light now. Okay, so to reset the oil service light on your vehicle, you're going to want to put the key in, go up one and go up a second one until all these lights on the dash start to pop up. And then you're going to want to go to these settings here, and you're going to go to the gear icon, go to settings, and scroll all the way down to maintenance reset. Reset the maintenance reminder. I'm going to put yes, and maintenance reset complete. And you're done with your oil change on your 2021 Toyota Tacoma.